1 Nephi chapter 6. Nephi writes of the things of God. His purpose is to persuade men to come unto the God of Abraham and be saved. And now I, Nephi, do not give the genealogy of my fathers in this part of my record. Neither at any time shall I give it after upon these plates which I am writing, for it is given in the record which has been kept by my father. Wherefore I do not write it in this work, for it sufficeth me to say that we are descendants of Joseph. And it mattereth not unto me that I am particular to give a full account of all the things of my father, for they cannot be written upon these plates. For I desire the room that I may write the things of God. For the fullness of mine intent is that I may persuade men to come unto the God of Abraham, and the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, and be saved. Wherefore the things which are pleasing unto the world I do not write, but the things which are pleasing unto God, and unto those who are not of the world. Wherefore I shall give commandment unto my seed, that they shall not occupy these plates with things which are not of worth unto the children of men.